Have you seen those videos promising $10,000 a month with faceless YouTube channels? The truth is, most people fail. In fact, 9 out of 10 who try YouTube automation never make it past a few dollars. But today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the dark truth about faceless YouTube channels in 2025, and more importantly, how you can avoid becoming another failure statistic. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share the 3 things the top 10% do differently that you can copy today. Faceless YouTube sounds amazing, right? No showing your face. AI tools doing the heavy lifting. Passive income rolling in while you sleep. But here's the catch, most people jump in with hype, not strategy. And YouTube is smarter in 2025 than ever before. The algorithm now rewards quality, watch time, and engagement, not just random clips with text-to-speech. The first dark truth? Most creators expect instant results. They see channels making $10,000 a month, and think it'll happen in 30 days. But here's reality, faceless channels take time to build authority. YouTube tests your videos with small audiences. If people click away too soon, you get buried. Expecting overnight success is the fastest way to quit. The winners treat YouTube like a marathon, not a sprint. They stick it out for 6 months, 12 months, sometimes longer, and that's when exponential growth kicks in. Another dark truth? Most channels are clones. They copy the same niches, the same thumbnails, even the same scripts. Guess what? YouTube can detect duplicate content. And if the audience has seen the same thing 20 times, they won't watch yours. The algorithm rewards fresh takes and unique angles. Don't just upload top 10 quotes. Instead, find your spin. Maybe AI-generated motivational shorts that test which quotes actually boost retention. In 2025, uniqueness is your superpower. The third dark truth: even if you get clicks, most viewers don't stay. Retention is everything. If viewers leave in the first 30 seconds, YouTube stops recommending. Here's how to fix it. Start with a hook that teases the result. Use pattern interrupts every few seconds, text overlays, graphics, zooms. Leave open loops. Say, "I'll reveal the number 1 mistake in a moment." These tricks aren't optional, they're survival. Another dark truth? Most people only think about AdSense. But faceless channels don't thrive on ads alone. The real money comes from affiliate marketing with tools like Pictory, InVideo, Canva. Digital products like templates and ebooks. Sponsorships once you grow. If you rely only on ads, you'll stay stuck. But if you monetize smartly, you can earn long before hitting 1,000 subs. And here's an insider secret most gurus won't tell you: faceless channels that grow fast always test and adapt. They study analytics weekly to see where viewers drop off. They A/B test thumbnails and titles to squeeze out more clicks. They even re-upload videos if early results flop. This is how the winners get ahead. They don't just post and pray. They adjust fast. If you want to be in the top 10%, don't think of your channel as a lottery ticket. Think of it as a business experiment. Every upload is data you can use to improve. So what separates the 10% who succeed from the 90% who fail? They treat it like a business. They research niches, test content, and track analytics. They focus on quality, not shortcuts. AI tools make production easier, but winners still craft unique, valuable content. And they play long-term. They don't quit at 5 videos. They publish consistently for months, even before big views arrive. If you adopt this mindset, you'll be in the minority who actually win with Faceless YouTube in 2025. So here's the bottom line: Faceless YouTube channels aren't a scam. They do work, but only if you avoid the hype, commit to consistency, and think beyond ads. If you're serious about building passive income, hit subscribe. Next up, more ways to earn with AI and automation.